Good morning once again. Welcome to our action research proposal writing. For today, we will have the third part. So let's review first. What's the first part of our action research proposal? The first one is the context and rationale, followed by the action research question. So the third one is the proposed innovation, intervention, and strategy. So again, you don't need to write the three. You will just choose. Either imuhang buhaton, innovation, intervention, or you will use strategy. So, pili lang ka ng tulo. Pili lang ka. So, unsa may ibutang din ha, Ma'am Ange? Unsa may nakabutang dira? So, in that part, you will just discuss, you will just explain, you will just describe what is your innovation, what is your intervention, what is your strategy. Fully describing lang yun, unsa ang imuhang strategy or unsa imong innovation, unsa imong intervention nga imong gi-apply sa imuhang problem nga nakita sa imuhang mga bata. So, diri nga part, diri nimo siya i-discuss in detail. Now, you will also include here the step-by-step procedure. Okay? Ang process, ang mga ways, kung giunsa, kinsa ang nag-validate sa imuhang innovation, sa imong gigamit nga material, ibutang na nimo diri. And you will also include here ang mga activities. Pila day ang duration sa imuhang innovation, pila ka days, 'di ba? Ibutang pud nimo dito. And kinsa pod ang mga ma-address ana nga innovation. Of course, you will also include the rationale, no? You will also include you will justify nganong kiniman nga innovation, nganong kiniman nga intervention, nganong kiniman nga strategy. You will also include there the limitations kung para asa lang ni. Siguro 'di ba, imong material nga gigamit, imong innovation nga gigamit para sa kanilang gyud nga specific nga mga bata. 'Di ba? So dili siya. So ibutang pud mo dito ang mga limitations. So don't worry kay we will have kanang another discussion gyud sa kanang innovation itself ha. Kay parang kay lahi man gud ni siya ang innovation nga format. If you want to hit two birds, kung gusto ka mag-goal ba nga, ay, Ma'am Ange, gusto ko duha gyud. Action research, tapos innovation. So, pwede siya. So, we will have another set of discussion about anang innovation gyud nga format. So, what is really innovation? Innovation, new idea. Bag-o. Or it could be, imo siyang gi-improve. From this material, imong gi-improve. Nag-innovate ka. Diba? So, existing na ang material, but you make it kanang more. Diba? Napakagidugang. So, you innovate. Your own idea. Diba? Daghan naman karon mga innovations nga gipangbuhat sa mga teachers para sa mga learners nila, para ma-improve. Diba? As long as ang imuhang thought is to help the learners, your learners, and you want to find the solution sa imuhang ginaramdam karon sa imuhang mga estudyante, and then it's a new idea nga imong nahunahunaan, that is your innovation. You can claim that as your innovation. Intervention, on the other hand, is the action taken. Action taken to improve the situation. Intervention, nag-intervene ka, naghatag ka og pamaagi para nga masolusyonan ang imuhang problema. So that is intervention. And of course, strategy. We have plenty of strategies, diba? Nga natun-an based sa atong matatag nga training, no? Nga gihatag sa atong Department of Education. So, if you want to try this strategy, you can, you can use that strategy in your research. So, there are three imong hinumduman nga imong gamiton dinhi: innovation, intervention, or strategy to give solution to the existing problem inside your classroom. Okay? So I think that ends our third part of our research. So next part will be the action research methods. Okay, goodbye!